तदैकप्रियदर्शनम् अज्ञाननाशकं देवं सद्गुरुं मुरलीधरम्।
अग्रणीर्ग्रामणी श्रीमान् न्यायो नेता समीरणः सहस्रमूर्धा विश्वात्मा सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात्। अग्रण्ये नमः।
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Agram prakrishtam padam nayati mumukshun iti agranihi. Bhagavan himself leads his devotees who are desirous of moksha or liberation to that supreme state. Bhagavan leads his devotees to himself. That's why in the beautiful Abhang Namacha Bazaar we sing Ashada Kartika Yatra Bharati Vittal Ha Sardar. During Ashada Ekadashi and Kartika Ekadashi in Varkari Yatra, where millions of devotees walk towards Pandharpur, it is Vittala who leads the devotees himself. Since it's Bhagavan who leads his devotees, he is called Agranihi. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Tena prakarena agrimam paschimam padam nayati iti agranihi. He also says, Bhagavan leads his devotees to the highest place or Paramapada. So he is called Agranihi.
Gramanye Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Bhuta Gramasya Netritvat Gramanihi. Bhagavan directs all beings in all their activities. So Bhagavan is called Gramanihi. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Tatra cha Nitya Siddhanam Gramam Samajam Nayati iti Gramanihi. In Paramapada, Bhagavan leads the hosts of Nitya Siddhas or ever liberated souls. So Bhagavan is called Gramanihi.
Shrimate Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Shrihi Kantihi Sarvatishayita Asyeti Shriman. Shri means Kanti or radiance. Bhagavan's radiance exceeds or excels everything. So Bhagavan is called Shriman. In Srimad Narayaniyam, Sri Narayana Bhattatri says, Yat Trailokya Mahiyasopi Mahitam Sammohanam Mohanat Kantam Kanti Nidhanatopi Madhuram Madhurya Dhuryadapi. He looks at Lord Guruvayurappa and says, Krishna, this supremely divine form of yours transcends all beauty, radiance and sweetness. Since Bhagavan's radiance excels everything, Bhagavan is called Shriman. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Matsyaha Kamala Lochanaha iti Spashta Paravibhutihi Shriman. This divine name Shriman represents Bhagavan's Paravibhuti, which is supreme glory and lordship. So Bhagavan is called Shriman.
Nyayaya Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Pramananugrahako Bhedakarakaha Tarko Nyayaha. Bhagavan is that tarka or argument which supports or favors pramanas or the shastras and also shows clear distinction. So Bhagavan is called Nyayaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Evam Abhresha Hetuhu Yuktakari iti Nyayaha. Bhagavan does whatever is just and proper, and he sees to it that no ill ever befalls his devotees. So he is called Nyayaha.
Netre Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Jagad Yantra Nirvahakaha Neta. If we treat this entire cosmos as a yantra or a machine, it is Bhagavan who regulates and conducts this machine of cosmos. So Bhagavan is called Neta. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Niyuktam karoti iti neta nirvaha shilaha Bhagavan carries out the commands of his devotees. So he is called Neta. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavan himself says, Aham bhakta paradinaha hyasvatantra ivadvija sadhubihi grasta hridayaha bhaktaihi bhakta janapriyaha. He says, Aham bhakta paradinaha. I am under the control of my devotees. So he is called Neta. He is also called Neta because he manages the affairs of his devotees.
Samiranaaya Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Shvasana Rupena Bhutani Cheshtayatiti Samiranaha. In the form of breath, it is Bhagavan who causes motion in beings, so Bhagavan is called Samiranaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Evam Ishtacheshtaha Samiranaha. Bhagavan's actions, his divine leelas or divine sports, are enjoyed by both himself and his devotees, so he is called Samiranaha.
Sahasramurdhne Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Sahasrani Murdhanosyeti Sahasramurdha. As mentioned in the Purusha Sukta, Bhagavan has 1,000 heads, so he is called Sahasramurdha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Athar etad vidyavataro jivitasu Purusha Suktadhyasu Paravidyasu Yatha Pratipadyate Tata Anurupani Namani Sahasramurdhadini. He says, this divine name is in line with Purusha Sukta and other Vedic texts which mention that Bhagavan has 1,000 heads. He further says, Sahasra Shabdascha Tesham Asankheyatva Paraha. He says that the word Sahasra signifies innumerable and not just a mere 1,000. So Bhagavan is called Sahasramurdha.
Vishwatmane Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Vishwasyatma Vishwatma. Bhagavan is the universal self, so he is called Vishwatma. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Abhyam Jnana Shakanabhyam Vishwavyapanat Vishwatma. Bhagavan is called Vishwatma because he pervades this entire universe with his knowledge and strength. Bhagavan himself says in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ahamatma Gudakesha Sarva Bhutashaya Stitaha Ahamadishcha Madhyamcha Bhutanam Anta Evacha. Bhagavan says, I am the self seated in the hearts of all beings. So Bhagavan is called Vishwatma.
Sahasrakshaya Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Sahasrani Akshini Yasya Saha Sahasrakshaha. Bhagavan has 1,000 eyes, so he is called Sahasrakshaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar has commented on this divine name Sahasrakshaha while commenting on the divine name Sahasramurdha itself. He says, Murdha Akshi Padaha Jnana Karma Upakarana Upalakshanarthaha Sahasra Shabdascha Tesham Asankheyatva Paraha. The head, eyes, feet mentioned in these names Sahasrakshaha, Sahasramurdha or later Sahasrapath are to be interpreted as including all the Karmendriyas and the Jnanendriyas, that is the organs of action and knowledge. And the term, the word Sahasra or 1,000 is to be interpreted as denoting innumerable and not just a mere 1,000.
Sahasrapade Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Sahasrani Pada Asyeti Sahasrapath. Bhagavan is 1,000-footed, so he is called Sahasrapath. Purusha Sukta says that the Purusha is 1,000-headed, 1,000-eyed and 1,000-footed. So Bhagavan is called Sahasrapath. Sri Parashara Bhattar has mentioned this name along with the divine names Sahasramurdha and Sahasraksha. As mentioned earlier, he says that these are to be interpreted as including all the Karmendriyas and the Jnanendriyas, the organs of action and knowledge, and the 1000 or the Sahasra mentioned is to be interpreted as innumerable. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Radhe Radhe.